Shibatoshi presents a detailed strategy to elevate Shiba Inu to unprecedented heights. This is a significant revelation that we have been requesting for an extended period. It is now occurring at last. As Bitcoin attains unprecedented peaks daily, the timing of releasing such a revelation is impeccable. Significant action is occurring behind the scenes. It captures people's attention. A substantial influx of new investors has just joined the Shiba army. However, there is some aspect they misunderstand entirely. Moreover, I am referring about more than 300,000 individuals. The second bull market phase is imminent. However, almost majority of these individuals lack sufficient resources. What is the requisite quantity of Shiba Inu? What groundbreaking revelation did Satoshi Kusama announce today? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. A significant event is now unfolding in the Shiba Inu community. The whales or significant investors are exhibiting extreme behavior. A Twitter account monitoring cryptocurrency news highlighted a 300% increase in whale behavior about Shiba Inu. That is substantial. Such movements often attract widespread notice. This increase in activities did not escape the community's attention. Satoshi Kusama, the principal person associated with Shiba Inu, replied with a succinct but revealing tweet. Likely nothing. Upon first observation, it seems to be only a casual remark. Upon further contemplation, there exists more complexity. Satoshi's remarks, perhaps inconsequential, are a typical instance of downplaying a significant matter. He seemed to allude to an intriguing development occurring behind the scenes without disclosing excessive details. It prompts speculation about potential undisclosed developments. The remarks of the head of a major cryptocurrency initiative inspire considerable attention and conjecture. The community cannot not but speculate that this may culminate in a significant event. Now, consider the sentiments of the community. This abrupt communication arrived at a period of intense activity in the cryptocurrency sector, particularly since Bitcoin had achieved fresh all-time highs. The anticipation is escalating. Ubiquitous. When Satoshi releases such a teaser, it incites widespread excitement. The timing is impeccable. Individuals are already enthusiastic about the prospects of cryptocurrency. Satoshi's enigmatic statements have instilled a feeling of expectation that a significant development may be imminent for Shiba Inu. The cryptocurrency market is now in the second stage of the current bull run. This has significantly benefited Shiba Inu, as the coin has capitalized on the bullish trend and seen substantial gains. On November 9th, Shiba Inu successfully surpassed the significant 402 threshold, a milestone widely monitored by many. Shiba Inu has surged almost 40% in November, representing a significant increase. As prices increase, smaller investors are beginning to re-enter the market. A sense of FOMO is motivating individuals to re-engage in purchasing, and the research corroborates this trend. As per Into the Block, smaller investors, defined as those possessing less than 100 million Shiba Inu, have been increasing their token holdings. This is excellent news since the emphasis has long been on the whales, the major entities with the greatest assets. Currently, we are seeing increased activity among smaller holdings, indicating robust market dynamics. Their participation is as significant as the whales, since it demonstrates genuine, extensive interest in Shiba Inu. Furthermore, it provides us with robust facts for discussion. A concrete indication that the market is no longer only influenced by major investors. This transition is a positive indication, instilling a greater sense of stability and excitement. Recent research indicates that more than 300,000 wallets own between 10 million and 100 million Shiba Inu coins, constituting a significant proportion of all Shiba Inu holders. These wallets together govern a significant portion of the overall Shiba Inu supply. If these investors retain their tokens, they may realize substantial profits if Shiba Inu maintains its upward trajectory. A proposed price objective is at a level that would restore Shiba Inu's market value to a position not seen in over 3 years. If Shiba Inu attains this price, its overall market capitalization would approach $30 billion, a threshold last seen in 2021. This makes the goal price quite attainable, particularly given that Shiba Inu has already reached this value. For investors possessing between 10 million and 100 million coins, this price escalation might result in more than a twofold rise in the value of their capital. Current is a positive indication for little investors, who are now seeing more possibility for the appreciation of their assets as Shiba Inu continues in current bullish trend. How will the Shiba Inu developers facilitate this? What methods are they using to elevate Shiba Inu to these new pricing thresholds? Satoshi Kusama has articulated a comprehensive strategy. The Shiba Inu crew is actively engaged and not passively awaiting developments. They possess a plan. Shiba Inu has lately seen a price increase of about 40%. Value mostly influenced by enthusiasm and conjecture. The enthusiasm of individuals and the excitement around Shiba Inu propelled the price increase. For Shiba Inu to achieve another significant advancement, the development team must implement a substantial initiative to sustain the momentum. Speculation itself can only advance the currency to a limited extent. For Shiba Inu to sustain its upward trajectory, a significant catalyst is required to further stimulate enthusiasm among investors. Thus, the development team is engaged. The primary strategy for Shiba Inu has been centered on Shibarium, their blockchain solution. Recently, Shibarium underwent an update enabling anybody to establish their own cryptocurrency projects or tokens on its network. This was anticipated to facilitate substantial adoption, since it provided developers the opportunity to start new projects while using the Shibarium ecosystem. There was a belief that this would significantly increase the use of Shibarium and attract more focus on Shiba Inu overall. Nevertheless, the outcomes have not aligned with expectations. Recently, a project on Shibarium's official Twitter account mentioned Satoshi Kusama, prompting a significant worry. The project's creators said that its community, along with several other fans trading meme currencies on Shibarium, was becoming more upset with the limited acceptance of Shibarium coins by centralized exchanges. Fundamentally, individuals were losing interest due to the absence of listings for these coins on prominent exchanges, so complicating the processes of purchasing, selling, or trading them with ease. This is a genuine worry. The absence of tokens from a new blockchain, such as Shibarium, on major exchanges constrains their development potential. For instance, consider yourself an investor or trader seeking to engage with one of these emerging enterprises. If the token is not readily tradable on prominent exchanges, the likelihood of investment diminishes. In the absence of liquidity and accessibility, the token cannot achieve the necessary momentum for growth. This kind of barrier may impede the whole network, hindering Shibarium's ability to realize its full potential. For Shiba Inu's strategy to succeed, the team must find a solution to this difficulty and ensure its tokens are accessible to a wider audience via prominent exchanges. However, it has lately changed entirely. Satoshi Kusama seems to have a strategy to resolve these issues. Kusama first seized the chance to defend himself against online detractors who misinterpreted his position in response to criticisms over the limited adoption of Shibarium tokens on controlled exchanges. He then elucidated that the fundamental resolution to the problem is widespread adoption. If Shibarium can get a broad audience, the issue of minimal interchange attention will diminish. Ultimately, an increase in users and discussions about Shibarium results in heightened traffic. Centralized exchanges need this to maintain relevance and attract new users. Kusama said that rivalry is intensifying among Layer 2 blockchains. Centralized exchanges have begun developing their own sidechains, necessitating that Shibarium distinguishes itself and demonstrates genuine interest. Observing that individuals are actively participating in the Shiba Inu ecosystem will increase the likelihood of token listings. Kusama delineated several crucial measures for Shiba Inu to do in order to generate such demand. He underscored the need for the Shiba Inu community to concentrate on establishing robust relationships, identifying distinctive niches, and producing cash for the foundation. The first phase involves establishing a robust technological basis, emphasizing the development of the chain and promoting acceptance, beginning with Web 2 platforms prior to expansion. Kusama said that if a breakout coin from the Shibarium environment gains traction, it will swiftly attract the interest of prominent exchanges. He cited instances such as Solana, which saw rapid expansion after the popularity of meme currencies like Dogwifat and Bonk. Kusama emphasized that the team is making substantial advancements to enhance the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including the establishment of a decentralized autonomous organization and the implementation of liquid staking on Shibarium. These measures indicate a commitment to enhancing the platform and garnering interest from major entities in the cryptocurrency sector. This is precisely how Shiba Inu may prosper once again as it did before. Returning to the increased activity of smaller investors that we discussed a few minutes ago, here is a detailed analysis. As smaller investors align with major stakeholders, anticipating a price doubling for Shiba Inu, as suggested by some experts, the prospect for substantial gains is evident. For instance, those possessing 10 million Shiba Inu tokens would see their investment increase from around $260 to $510, whilst 50 million tokens might escalate from roughly $1,300 to over $2,500, and 100 million coins may surge from $2,630 to above $5,000. This scenario would occur if Shiba Inu's market capitalization reaches $30 billion, a plausible outcome contingent upon the Shiba Inu team's successful execution of their strategies to enhance adoption and expand the ecosystem. Should Shiba Inu continue in its development and traction, investors may see substantial returns universally. What is your perspective on this matter? Please leave a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.